Let us start with the rim of the plant pot. It's going to be a bit like that. So it's just a curve with two little hooks at the end. And that sort of gives us an idea where it's all going to start from. And then let's draw some leaves. So this is a kind of a typical kind of thing you'll find in a plant pot. So it's coming around like that into kind of a heart shape, but without the point at the bottom. And then you've got the ribs, and then 1, 2, 3, something like that. And then we can draw these at slightly different angles, and it's going to get hidden behind there, like that. The rib will still come down there. And we're going to want another one, say, about like that. There, and the rib will be there. And we might have another one hiding in here. So it's all about sort of hiding leaves behind each other. And we want to do them at different angles as well. So we'll maybe do something like that. That will come out like that. And then we'll do maybe one more. That's probably maybe enough, like that. And then we can start putting in the stalks. And I think these stalks at the top are quite important to get those like that. And then we can put more stalks in, coming down like that. So put sort of 2 in at a time, like that, so that you know where you are. So they're coming out of this plant pot, and then we're going to draw a curve all the way around it like that. And then maybe 1, 2, 3, those little curves there. Then we want the pot itself. It's going to be nice and round belly like that. And we're going to draw these little sort of curvy flicks. They're slightly curving. Flick, 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 all the way down like that. And let's put it on the table. And then we'll put a bit of shadow in there like that as well. Maybe a bit on that side too. It's a bit of a scribble. And then we can maybe put some shadow on these stems coming down there like that as well. Maybe a bit of shadow in there. How to draw a plant pot. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy, so you can come back and do more drawing. Bye!